If you're doing a slides presentation, you're going to need to know at least how to put in text boxes because the rubric says for the political social systems, history, and geography criteria, I need to have multiple pictures with captions. And to make a caption, you need to make a text box. Also, depending on which civilization you've picked, you're going to need to make a social pyramid to show that part of their civilization. So here I have a slide. I see a picture over here that needs a caption or a text box. And then I have a space over here for the social pyramid. To make a text box, you can either click right here that says text box, or you can always go to insert the things that you want. Insert actually gives you tons of things you could do. I mean, this is where you can insert images. If you want to put in some kind of chart, if you need to do word art or other kinds of things, this is where you go, the insert menu here. So I'm going to go to insert text box. I now see a plus sign here. All I need to do is click and drag. And then once you've clicked and dragged, you can just type in what you want for that caption. That is Cinderella Castle. And if I click out of it, there you go. I have a caption there. Now, you can still play around with this text box. Like maybe I don't like that Cinderella Castle is kind of stacked like this with two words, one on top of the other. So if I click back inside this text box, I can just drag it out more if I want. I could make it bigger this way if I want, up and down. I could also move it around if I wanted it over on the side here. That'd be fine. For social pyramid, you need to make a shape. Once again, I could go to the insert menu, or shapes are right here too. I'm going to go to insert shape, go to the shapes. Pyramids are triangles, so I'm going to choose triangle. Once again, click and drag. If I don't like the shape of that, I can maybe make it fatter. I could also make it taller. I may not want to have this kind of background here. I might just want it to be like a see-through triangle because I'm going to be typing stuff in here. And so I'm going to click on that shape. Then if I look here, this is where I can start doing some of those formatting issues. So fill color, I don't want one. So I'm going to make it transparent. Maybe I don't like that it's green out here. So I could choose maybe purple. I can make it thicker line. I can make it a really thin line. Doesn't really matter. I could even change the type of line if I wanted to. Also for a social pyramid, I'm going to need to make some lines because I need to make sure I put in my different groups. Here I could either insert line or insert line. And then I just put in my lines like this. Click and drag it. Once again, if you don't like the thickness or the color of the line, you could change it. I'll just do purple again, 2 point. And then what I would do is I would make however many spots I need for my social pyramid. Then I would need to come in and do
This is Paul Bamer.
Sorry about that.
We hope you've enjoyed.
Then I'll need to do insert text box. And then I will go ahead and type in whatever I would want in the bottom of that social pyramid, which we always know is 6th graders.